It's April 1st and I really want to get back into vlogs because watching my shit from high school was so funny. I really made high school look fun. But anyways, I'm not in high school anymore. 23 and ongoing. We out of that place. But yeah, I have nothing planned for the full day. But you know, it would be so cool to do a magic trick because it's Fool Day, April Fool's Day. Whew. That would be so sick. Anyways, there's construction happening out there. You know what? It's actually kind of cool, like watching it, because now I know how a building is made. There it is. That looks so cool. Y'all, it's like 3:45 a.m. and the birds are up at 3 a.m. I've been literally waking up at like 3 in the morning and then hit the gym at like 5 or 6 with sheer willpower. But then I found freaking pre-workout and tastes like Play-Doh and I don't want to drink it. I'd rather go with sheer willpower. I don't want to do Bulgarian lunges, so we're gonna take this so it can be a little bit easier. This calls for the circle of life. Ugh. Oh. I would rather have a tequila shot than have that. Ugh. At least tequila is natural and not chemically. Right after like a few exercises, the gym was so empty, just like my glucose levels. Okay, so I literally got 2 smoothies. I was thinking, like a random thought. This was a random thought. I got a good tip. Get a pet dog. Get a pet dog and then go to every single dog park there is. Cause like, you're bound to meet someone at that point. Like, please. And when I say every single dog park, I mean like every single dog park. But if you're wondering, well, what if I don't have the time? Well, when there's a will, there's a way. And I'm pretty sure y'all be like, when desperate calls come to desperate measures, desperate act. I don't even know. Anyways, that's my tip. Look how nice. That's not really that clean, but you know what? It's kind of clean. Wanna clean. I almost cried today. Almost cried. Actually, no, just kidding. I cried today after getting smacked in the face. But you know what? That's okay. Anyways, good night. Hey vlog. We are studying. 2 a.m. Not really, but
It's only 10 right now.
you know what?
The 14 is slightly postponement, delay.
So it's literally my best friend's birthday, and so I decided to make her a little gift basket.